Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by defining clear objectives and committing to them. You need 3 goals and an allotted time. Once done, clear a 2-4-meter central area and remove trip hazards so movement stays safe. Next, lay out essentials: markers, masking tape to section zones, a visible timer, and a notepad. You act now, place a sign for noise levels, set boundaries visually, and confirm participants know the first activity. This quick setup prevents confusion and speeds progress. You run the core work in alternating focused rounds. Aim for 10-20 minutes of activity followed by a 5-minute reflection to surface learnings. Use distinct zones: brainstorm, prototype, test, and rotate people between them so ideas cross-pollinate. While working, capture outcomes immediately. Take a photo, write a 1-line decision, and assign a next step owner. Make sure to signal transitions clearly and keep materials movable. This structure sustains momentum and turns ephemeral. You finish by holding a concise 10-15-minute debrief, where the group lists 3 deliverables and names owners for each. Once done, document everything: photos of boards, distilled notes, a 1-page summary, and upload to a shared folder so work remains accessible. Make sure to confirm deadlines and follow-ups before dispersing. If progress stalls, pause and reconvene a fresh pair to reframe the immediate goal. That quick reset often breaks deadlock and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.